Hey guys, my name is Swapnil Sisa. You're watching Swapnil Sisa channel. Today we're gonna unbox and review this KDM Eco 155 Bluetooth neckband. I think so. Let's open it. I already opened it. So in the box you get the charging cable, then nothing else. So and here is the neckband. You have to this company claim that it has a long lasting battery. It has up to 15 hours music long music hours long lasting. You can play on long lasting for 15 hours. So let's let's get let's open and wear it. You have to wear like this. It has three buttons. It minus, then calling, and plus. Here you can, if you see to the closer, yeah, it plus means you can volume up. Then calling button, you can take a calls, hands free calls, and up is a volume down button. Here is a also middle button is also a power on off button, and these are the earphone which is with a magnet clamp. It has a magnet which can attach to, so not to worry wherever you go, you don't have to worry about it get tied or another way. You don't have to worry about the neckband where it can, something where it cannot be loose anyway. Okay, so I have to I'll show you how to attach it. You have to, so if I press this button, see, it started, its blinking started. It shows the blue and the red color dimming light. So when you attach a smartphone, so it connects with it and it ready to use for your, you can use to, it is ready to use it. Okay, so this is a little bit review and hands-on of uh, Bluetooth neckband. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel. Remember one thing: if you busy, life will be easy. Thank you. Bye.